Hello mga Kamaniwise! Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, pinag-usapan natin ang top 3 REITs, ang A-REIT, C-REIT, and RCR. In this video, pag-usapan naman natin ang 5 pang REITs. Let's find out kung maganda bang mag-invest sa M-REIT, PhilREIT, V-REIT, DDMPR, and P-REIT. Let's go! Disclaimer, this is for informational purposes only and it's not a financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before investing. Let's start with DDMPR. DDMPR is the second REIT na nag-IPO in the Philippines noong March 2021. Ang IPO price ng DDMPR ay 2.25 pesos per share. DDMPR's portfolio consists of three income-generating commercial buildings, ang Double Dragon Plaza, Double Dragon Center East, and Double Dragon Center West, all located within its 4.75-hectare DD Meridian Park in Manila Base area in Pasay City. Ang key advantage of DDMPR compared to other REITs is that it owns the land na kinatatayuan ng mga buildings. DDMPR has maintained its initial portfolio, itong tatlong buildings na ito. Walang bagong asset infusion since IPO. IPO price ay 2.25 pesos. And then after ng IPO, pababa ng pababa ang share price. And now, down ng 54% ang share price ng DDMPR since IPO. In terms of financial performance, revenue and EBITDA have declined due to low occupancy rate. 75% ng rental income ay galing sa Double Dragon Plaza. Ang occupancy rate ng Double Dragon Plaza is 71%. Ang rental income ng DDMPR was significantly affected by the POGO ban. A large portion of its tenants were POGO operators. And sa ngayon, DDMPR has been diversifying its tenant base by attracting government agencies, corporate offices, BPOs, and other service industries to replace lost POGO tenants. Current year-to-date revenue ay nag-decline ulit versus previous year-to-date. Walang dividend growth since IPO. Actually, nag-decline ang dividend niya since IPO. Trailing 12 months dividend yield ay mataas pa rin at 9.02% kasi bumaba ang kanyang share price. Sa ngayon, pang dividend play ang DDMPR. Mataas din ang kanyang dividend payout from its earnings. Hindi sustainable ang dividend pag hindi nag-improve ang kanyang earnings. Ito ang maganda sa DDMPR kasi wala siyang utang, zero. Para tumaas ang share price, kailangan ng catalyst. Kailangan mag-improve ang kanyang occupancy rate to boost yung rental income. And they also need to diversify their portfolio through strategic asset infusions. Until then, DDMPR will remain primarily a dividend play with limited growth potential. Next is VREIT. Nag-IPO ang VREIT noong June 2021 with an IPO price of 1.75 pesos per share. VREIT's portfolio consists of 10 community malls and 2 office buildings. The community malls are located in Las Piñas, Bulacan, Cebu, Pampanga, and Antipolo. The office buildings naman are located in BGC and Cavite. Total gross leasable area ay 256,400 square meters. Average occupancy rate ay mataas, nasa 97%. Tumaas ang share price ng VREIT since IPO from 1.75 pesos up ang share price niya ng 5.7% since IPO. One-year return is 7.02%. O baka may malito na naman sa one-year return ha at sabihin na namang may mali sa sinabi ko. Ang one-year return shows how much an investment has gained or lost over the past year. Hindi ito ibig sabihin 7.02% a year ang return. Pwedeng mag-iiba-iba yan depende sa share price performance. Nag-grow ang revenue at EBITDA ng VREIT from 2022 to 2023. Pero sa first 9 months of 2024, flat ang kanyang revenue versus same period last year. Ang VREIT, maski walang bagong asset infusion, growing ang dividend. Kasi tumaas din naman ang kanyang revenue. Reasonable din ang kanyang dividend payout ratio from its earnings. Healthy rin ang kanyang balance sheet, wala siyang utang, zero. May plano rin ang VREIT to grow and diversify their portfolio. VREIT is aiming to double its gross floor area by the end of 2027 as part of its goal to provide investment return to its shareholders. Pero wala pang details kung anong commercial real estate properties ang idadagdag nila sa current portfolio nila. Ang goal ng VREIT is to deliver at least 10% annual returns to shareholders by growing rental income and acquiring new properties. Abangan natin kung anong commercial real estate properties ang idadagdag nila sa current portfolio nila. Ito naman ang latest share price performance ng VREIT. And nag-pull back ang share price below its 50-day moving average. If it holds above the 1.8 support zone, the uptrend may continue. Pag naging successful ang plan nila to grow and double their portfolio over the next 3 years, this is good for VREIT investors. Ang MSN Money's target price is 3 pesos at ang buy below price ko sa VREIT ay 1.85 pesos per share. Next is PREIT, Premier Island Power Corporation. Kay Villar din ang REIT na ito. Nag-IPO ang PREIT noong December 2022 at ang IPO price ay 1.5 pesos per share. Ang PREIT is a power and infrastructure REIT in the Philippines. Ang property portfolio ng PREIT consists of land and power plant assets. Ginagamit ito sa power generation projects ng kanyang sponsors, ang SI Power Corporation, SIPCOR, and Camotes Island Power Generation Corporation, CAMCOR. All the properties of PREIT are leased to the sponsors and are being used to operate the SIPCOR and CAMCOR power plants with a total combined installed capacity of 21.2 megawatts. Occupancy rate is 100%. Wala rin silang new asset infusion since IPO. Tumas ang share price ng PREIT since IPO, up ang kanyang share price by 46%. Ang 1-year return naman ay 36.48%. Parang may magic ang REIT ni Villar. Tumataas ang share price maski walang asset infusion. Tumaas din ang kanyang revenue and EBITDA from 2022 to 2023. Pero wala pa yung latest annual earnings report for 2024. Healthy rin ang balance sheet ng PREIT, nasa 4.1% lang ang kanyang debt to equity ratio. Mataas ang pinakaunang dividend payout ng PREIT and then bumaba. Ang trailing 12 months dividend yield ay 6.29%. Uptrend ang PREIT since May. Above 200-day moving average ang kanyang share price. Sa ngayon, nagko-consolidate siya below its 50-day moving average. Next is MREIT, Mega World REIT. Nag-IPO ang MREIT noong October 2021. Ang IPO price ay 16.1 pesos per share. MREIT's stock price has declined by 17% since its IPO. When MREIT had its IPO in October 2021, ang initial portfolio niya ay 10 prime office buildings located in Eastwood City in Quezon City, Iloilo Business Park, and McKinley Hill in Taguig City. At ang total gross leasable area was 224,430 square meters. And in March 2023, they already had 18 office and commercial assets with a total GLA of 324,742 square meters. And ito naman ang Wave 3 asset infusion ng MREIT. Six new office properties in Taguig City, Iloilo City, and Davao City. Before the acquisition, tenants ay mostly BPO companies, nasa 90%. After the acquisition, total GLA ay 482,056 square meters. Ang occupancy rate is slightly improved to 92%. Ang BPO tenants bumaba from 90% to 77%, making their portfolio less dependent on a single sector. And traditional offices naman increased to 18% from 7%. Retail tenants is slightly increased to 4% from 3%. And now hotels make up 1% of their portfolio, adding a new type of tenant. Ang average lease expiry shortened to 2.95 years, likely due to new properties with shorter contracts. Emirates Wave 3 expansion supports its strategy to expand its assets and reach 1 million square meters portfolio by year 2030. Tumaas ang revenue and EBITDA from 2021 to 2023. Ito naman ang kanilang latest financial performance. Tumaas ang distributable income ng MREIT, which is good for investors despite relatively flat revenues. Ang dividend growth ng MREIT ay napakaliit. 0.73% ang annual growth rate over the past 2 years. Let's see kung tataas ang dividends pag nag-contribute na ang Wave 3 assets sa kanilang revenue. Mataas ang dividend payout ratio ng MREIT from its earnings, above 100%. Healthy ang balance sheet ng MREIT. Mababa ang kanyang debt to equity ratio at 13.8%. Hindi siya highly leveraged. This is a good sign for investors because lower DE ratio indicates lower financial risk. Ito naman ang latest share price ng MREIT. It's currently consolidating near its key moving averages and neutral lang din ang RSI level. Ang target price ng MSN Money for MREIT ay 15.12 pesos at ang buy below price ko ay 12 pesos. Next, PhilREIT, PhilInvest REIT Corporation. Nag-IPO ang PhilREIT noong August 2021 with an IPO price of 7 pesos per share. Ang taas ng kanyang IPO price. At the time of its IPO, PhilREIT had 17 office buildings. Ang total GLA ay 300,000 square meters and primarily nasa Northgate Cyberzone, Alabang. Just like DDMPR, bumaba rin ang share price ng PhilREIT. So down siya ng 55% since its IPO. From 7 pesos, naging 3.15 pesos. Ito ang current portfolio ng PhilREIT. May nadagdag lang na isang asset, yung Prime Resort Lot sa Boracay. Ang total gross leasable area ay 330,400 square meters. And then walang bagong assets na dinagdag until 2024. Noong January 2025, PhilREIT announced their major expansion plan of acquiring Festival Mall through a property for share swap with its sponsor, ang PhilInvestland. With this acquisition, PhilREIT's total portfolio size will grow by 37%. So magiging 452,310 square meters. And mag-improve din ang occupancy rate from 83% to 88%. Weighted average lease expiry will extend from 7.3 years to 14.6 years, ensuring long-term stability for investors. PhilREIT is diversifying beyond office spaces. Pag na-complete na ang infusion, ang portfolio breakdown will be 67% office spaces, 27% retail, yung Festival Mall, and then 6% hospitality, yung Crimson Boracay Lot. The acquisition of Festival Mall aligns with PhilReit's strategy of expanding its REIT portfolio with high-quality income-generating assets. And it also supports its sustainability initiatives while enhancing dividend potential for PhilReit investors. Declining ang revenue and EBITDA ng PhilReit since 2021. First 9 months ng 2024, lower pa rin ang revenue versus same period last year. Nag-decline ang dividend from 2022 to 2024 kasi declining din ang kanilang revenue due to lower occupancy rate. Pero since June 2024, the dividend amount has stabilized at 0.062 pesos per share. With the new asset infusion, investors might start seeing potential dividend improvements, maybe by late this year. Bumaba na rin ang utang ng PhilReit. Naalala ko dati ang taas ng utang nila. Sa ngayon, ang DE ratio ng PhilReit ay nasa 14.5%. So, healthy na ang kanyang balance sheet. Reasonable din ang dividend payout ratio from its earnings. PhilReit has been on an uptrend since December 2024. So, after recovering from a downtrend. Ang price niya is trading above both the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. As long as the share price stays above 3.04, the uptrend might continue. Pag naging successful ang asset infusion, PhilReit could see strong price action and higher dividend yields, which is good for PhilReit investors. Ang target price ng MSN Money for PhilReit ay 3.65 pesos per share. Kung gusto mo mag-invest sa REITs o dividend stocks, sign up ka sa Dragonfy gamit ang referral code ko MoneyWise para makapagsimula ka na. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.